tabia sio tabia ya watu ambao wanafuata sheria. Hiyo tabia ni tabia ya magaidi.
It is not proper for this government to start weaponizing corruption. We are members of parliament elected by the people from Western Kenya. We have a right to see our fellow leader from the region.
A person who wants to deny Kakamega leaders an opportunity to discuss with the president wants to do this to spoil the environment, so that, as usual, Kakamega is disenfranchised of development.
The people of Western Kenya are asking tough questions about this government. They try to even arrest Honorable Sotsi, and then they claim that you want to disrupt a presidential function. It is not Oparanya to disrupt a presidential function. You made promises to Kenyans. You made promises about Nzoia Sugar.
How do you dialogue when people are being harassed behind your backs? Where is the good faith? What would motivate me to go to the table tomorrow